And we're not gonna do that. We're not cheaters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. So the rule is, don't try the Squid Game technique.
Egg. Elephant. E.
Yes.
Derek Ramsey at Ellen Adarna namasyal sa Japan together. Nagkaroon ng me time ang dalawa at muling nag-reconnect to each other. Kasama rin ang ilan sa mga malalapit nilang kaibigan. Samantala, naiwan naman si Elias Modesto at ang bunso nilang anak sa Manila kung saan inalagaan ito ng kanilang mga lolo at lola. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Pagbalik nga ng Manila ni Ellen at Derek, sobrang na-miss nila ang kanilang bunsong anak na babae. Talaga namang kinuha agad ito ni Derek at niyakap at hinalika. Sino ba naman ang hindi makakamiss sa napaka-cute nilang anak, napakaputi at napakadaldal na rin ngayon. Matiyaga din namang inaalagaan at binabasahan ng story ni Ellen Adarna ang kanyang bunsong anak. Talagang tuwang-tuwa sila dito at binibigyan talaga ng time ni Ellen na basahan ng story ang kanyang bunso.
Hey, David Donald dreamed a dozen donuts and a dog too. A, B, C, D, E. Ear. Egg. Elephant. E.
Yes.
Big F, little F. F. Four fluffy feathers on a fiffer fan.
At bukod nga sa bunso ni Ellen, syempre na-miss din niya ang kanyang panganay na si Elias Modesto. Kaya naman naglaro silang dalawa together at syempre tuwang-tuwa dito si Elias. Lalo pa at binilan siya ng kanyang mami ng honeycomb na kung saan ay
We're not gonna do
usong-uso.
that. We're not cheaters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. So the rule is, don't try the Squid Game technique.
This is impossible, Yas.
My technique is working. Mom, you're the one who got me to buy this. It's so hard. How did you do that? I'm just pressing it. Then what are you doing? I told you it's hard. What does it taste like? Like sugar. How did I cheat? I'm just beside you. Mom, you're going to break that. Yeah, yours is hard, but I don't like this. Ah, there. You start here. You start slowly. Oh no, what did you do? I did not break it. I did a favor. I did you a favor. This is mine. Excuse me. Excuse me. Mine is wet now. You're cheating. No, I'm not. Because mine is hard kasi. Oh, Mom, how did you break it? Phew. I'm gonna use this tissue because it hurts. There. Good. Hey, no, I told you no eating sweets after dinner. It's already what? 8. No eating, huh? Lucky? No. Can I see? I'm not gonna play this game ever again. I hate it. You broke it. And mine. good. Hey, don't touch sugar. Ants, Bobby. Enough na. Okay, so what do you say? Be honest. Why? Be honest. People saw everything. So what? Can you update them? My mom is seriously cheating. How did I cheat? Hey, don't make up stories. Yeah, you're cheating. Be honest. She got the easiest. She got the circle. Yeah, but it was a fair pick. Okay, should we start? No, we're going to sleep tomorrow again. Say, what do you say? Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. Who's the winner? Who's the loser? Why does my mom always got everything? Mama?
What? Your mama? Your mama? Your mama? Your mama? It's amazing.
My mom is so fat that she even eat a hamburger. She couldn't even eat it because she was so fat.
Samantala, nag-share naman si Derek at Ellen Adarna ng kanilang moment sa Japan kung saan nag-enjoy sila sa ski resort. Napakagaling pala ni Ellen Adarna pagdating sa skiing. Talaga namang nakakabilib.
Like heaven. Wow. Like heaven. Wow.
Hey, Mera. Nice. Nice, love.
Kasabay nga na ng kanilang pag-ski ay umuulan din ng snow kung saan pangarap ng marami ang makarating dito at maka-experience ng snow.
Nice. Nice, love.